Welcome to the ninth homework of the machine learning. And this is the deep learning for content based filtering. First of all, we are importing our packages and Python environment. Was this, if I'm not making mistakes? And yeah, there's a two exercises in here. Okay, no middle name tabular. Did I made wrong? I might be import or not base ml. Yeah, yeah, let me download this pip. Okay, this is giving me error. VS1 projects based projects. Uh, First of all, I'm gonna find the solution, then I will re-upload it. It gives me error in where? Sure. It's not this one, but this is must be run import pickle 5 conda. So pickle 5, let me run. Let me try with this one. While solving this problem, let me read these ones and move your rating dataset as we done it in the other homework. And the original dataset has roughly 9,000 movies rated by 600 users with rating on scale zero point 0.5 to 5 in zero point 0.5 step increments. The dataset has been reduced into size to focus on movies from years since 2000 and popular genres. The registered dataset has and number users 397 and number of movies with 847 and 25,521 ratings for each movie. The dataset provides a movie title, release date, and one or more genres. For example, Toy Story 3 was released in 2010 and has several genres: adventure, animation, children, comedy, and fantasy. This dataset contains little information about users other than their ratings. This dataset is used to create training vectors for the neural networks described below. Let's learn a bit more about the dataset. The table below shows the top 10 movies by ranked by number of ratings. These movies also happen to have high average ratings. How many of these movies have you watched? This is the panda, so it's important, so I can run this one. By table, let me check this one. Uh, yeah, I guess it's already been solved. Let me rerun my packages. is giving me error still. Pickle 5. Hmm. From recycle utils import something and numpy. Uh, yeah, I will stop recording and I will try to fix this problem. Yeah, I found the solution in recycle and then utils is pickle 5 is actually just a pickle because the pickle 5 stuff is almost same as same in standard version of the Python. So this might be working right now. And yes, I actually explained this stuff or just read them. And this is the first 10 movies. It was saying like this one, but okay. The action games, there are 321 and adventure, how many games in which category, and their averages, number of the movies, and ratings per genre. Yeah, this is the ratings per every movie, like this one. Right. And content based filtering with neural network. In the collaborative filtering lab, you will generate two vectors, a user vector and user vector and item movie vector, whose dot product will predict a rating. The vectors were derived solely from the ratings. Content-based filtering also generates a user and movie feature vector, but recognize there may be other information available about the user and movie that may improve the prediction. The additional information is provided to a neural network, which generates the user and movie vector as shown below. This is a movie content layer, and this is the user layer, and these are the predictions. It's the input layers and hidden layers, and this is the output layer. Actually, we can think these are two input layer and one output layer. Training data, the movie content provided the network is a combination of the original data and some engineered features. Recall the feature engineering discussed and lab from course 1, lab 2, lab 4. The original features are the year the movie was released on the movie's genres present on one hot vector. There are 14 genres. The engineered features is an average rating derived from the user ratings. The user content is comprised of engineered features. Per gen average rating is computed per user. Additionally, user ID, rating count, and rating average are available, but not included in the training or prediction content. They are carried with the dataset because they are useful in interpreting data. The training set consists of all the ratings made by user in the dataset. Some ratings are repeated to boost the number of training examples of under present genres. The training set is split into two arrays with the same number of entries, a user array and movie item array. Below let's load and display some of the data, and training vectors are most 51,000, and the first few entries is given here: rating count, rating average, and type of it, like adventure, animation, children, comedy, crime, documentary, drama, fantasy, horror, mystery, romance, sci-fi, and thriller. And some of the user item features are not used in the training. In the table above, the feature is breakless, such as user ID, rating count, and rating average are not included when the model is trained and used. Above you can, this means we are not using for the training. Rating average and rating count, or user ID. What we have to train the user ID, and you can see the per gen rating average for user 2. Zero entries are generous, which is the user have not rated. The user vector is the same for all movies rated by a user. Let's look at the first few entries of the movie item array. Above the movie array contains the year the film was released, the average rating, and an indicator for each potential chain. The indicator is one of the each genre that applies to the movie. The movie ID is not used in training but is useful when interpreting the data. The target U is the movie rating given by the user. Above we can that movie and released in 2003. User to raise the activation average as on 3.9 on average. And movie lens users gave the movie rating of 4. U is indicating user to rated movie as a 4 as well. A single train example consider row from both and user and items rating from you. And this is just a recall. We are in his scale the training data and allow us to evaluate this result. We will split it into data training and test set. Discuss course 2. Yeah, we are just dividing the here like paint just like this is all data set and like 80 percentage and let me check what is the yeah 80 percentage in here. This is for the training training and this is for the test in here and I'm just putting here neural network for content-based filtering. Now let's construct a neural network as described in the figure above. It will have two networks that are combined by a dot product. You will construct two networks. In this example, they will be identical. Not these are networks not need to be same. If the user content was substantially larger than the movie content, you might like to increase the complexity of the user network relative to the movie network. In this case, the content is similar, so networks are here the same. Okay, we are using the keras. The first layer, dense layer with 256 real activation. The second layer, 128 units real activation. Dense layer, num outputs. And okay, let me run here. Actually, yep. And TensorFlow keras dot layers and what was it? Dense 256. Am I making something wrong? This makes me awkward. mm, sad seeds. Yeah, I'm going to. Or keras layers dense 120. What? Nah, 256. Vision Relay. And this one half. This will focus layers. But dance up. Okay. I just wanna copy this one. Did I make it through? Okay, let me click here. First layer dance 100. Yes, this is going through. This is for our user and this is for our item. So, delete this one. And oops, sorry. CB 256. Dance. And number outputs. And this must be true now. Let me run this one. Okay. Name relay is not defined. Wow. Yes, of course. Of course it's not defined because I have to do it like this one. Oops. This must be true now. Okay. Where am I having the errors? Cannot convert force into a shape. Hmm. It's giving me error in. Actually, it gives me error in input user turkey layer input features. It's giving me error in here, which is it isn't right in here. Hmm. I will stop and try to solve this one, and I will come back. Okay, I just to solve this problem. I just go to ChatGPT and it gives me the to do this. Adding with some features, but it's not solving the problem because cannot convert into shape. And before this one, it gives me the error of problem. And um, input Kotlin shape. So when I'm looking this one, number, okay, and which is I'm browsing this one. I put this one input user features. there's this one. Additionally, so this is must be in here too. These all look same, and yeah, I couldn't solve this problem with that. Okay, I'm writing English and giving me Turkish. Yeah, let me try this code. Yeah, okay. It solved this problem now. I just don't want to use them. Let me rerun it. Yes, okay. And I'm running the from public test. Topologic has not. Okay, let me click the hints now. Yeah, I cannot even click it. Is this okay, there is nothing like a as list in here. I don't even know where is this one. Oh, public test. It's in here. Must be really. Where is it? As mm, and let me rerun this one. Okay, I'm having the same problem. Top object has an attribute as list, so What is test test tower part has been changed. Let me run this one. Let me run this one. Okay, it's having the same problem still. I don't know. It's not solve my. Either the test tower. Actually, I have to change the test tower in here, I guess. So in here, review outputs, and this is if it gives me the last one. Let me put it in here and let me know. Okay, the in sorry, let me Control Z and test tower user NN. Test tower user NN and test tower user NN. Test tower target in here actually. Here's the asset layer. This is my final solution for my. Yeah, this list shouldn't be here. Okay, it's given the same problem, and I don't know why. In here, the test tower user, and then it looks true to me, and it's a public test problem, not even in my error. Maybe there's some changes which I made in here, and test tower gives me error, and assert layer output expected this one, and expected I1. Okay. So I couldn't understand the problem. Where is it? I will stop recording, and if I can solve this my problem, I will restart it. Okay, after I check some stuff, this gives me another problem about tuple. Object has an attribute as list caused by trying to associate the tensor flowing as the splash shape you're getting is a tuple, and the, and it's just updating the test tower, but I don't know what is the error. I don't even know what is the error in here. Output shape is about. And this may even cause nothing has been changed. I guess it's as I said. Actually, maybe I made some wrongs in here. I hope I can open it one day. Oh, what has happened? Yeah, here. Yeah. Actually, I did everything to do this, but it's given me error. But okay, I will just try to continue. Yeah, it's actually probably in the public tests. And predictions for a new user. The new user enjoys the movies from the adventure fantasy game. Let's find the top rated movies for the new user. And let me run this one. Yeah, of course I'm taking the errors because I couldn't run the other one. So I couldn't find the solution, but if I can do it, I will re-upload it. Thanks for the listening. Yes, I'm having a problem about test tower, which is in public test in here, and I couldn't solve this problem, but I will try to explain what's going on here. And this is here just item vags, just training sets and top rated stuff. I couldn't run it because it's given me, I don't know, mm, this is giving me error. And this is the user 2 for the predictions and finding similar items for the formula, but I will just try to write this one. Maybe after this one goes right. And the float is just taking this one. Yeah, if you are returning D, we have to go with the D in here. So it is just summation, numpy summation. And okay, A and B is given here, A for the V over K, and here, so we are taking the square root of it. This is true. I'm running this one. And public test. Yeah, interestingly, SQ this is true. And metrics of distance between movies can be computed once the model is trained and reused for recommendation without retraining. The first step, once a model is trained, to obtain the movie feature vector VM for each movies, and to do this we use the train item neural network and build this one through the VM, and it's given me error, and it is given me error in convert shape 10. I don't know. I didn't write anything 10 in here. Uh, did I write anything in? No, I didn't write in here. I didn't put anything about the shape in my keras or something like this one. It should be working, but I don't know why we're not working. And I cannot even see where is my problem. It's in the input layer, but compute the matrix of the square distance between each movie, and it's like the context. rate and how is this like. And this is movies to display, taking the length of it. And for all the range and dimensions, it's just looking for the similarities in here. And I'm taking some problems in here, but I don't even know where's the problem. Thanks for listening. Have a good day.